People ask me every day, how do we do this? And it's super simple. We've cut out all the overhead. This place isn't super fancy, but the products in it are the same that you'd get at super fancy retail places, but we're selling it for a lot less. We have the highest end name brands, custom Amish furniture. We just put a whole line of custom upholstery together where you can pick out exactly what you want. We have designers bringing their clients in here now where they used to turn their nose up at us. Some of the myths that people have about us, oh, it's seconds or it's closeouts. You have to buy what you see on the floor, and that's not true. All of our furniture, you get it just like you get it anywhere else. We have it brand new, wrapped up in our warehouse. You look at the floor model, and then we deliver you a brand new one. People are now able to bring in paint samples. I want a red couch with yellow pillows or a floral design. Every other furniture store is the same. They run the same President's Day sale ads. They have the same business model where they're in a high rent retail area. They pay high commissions to their salespeople, and they have a ton of fluff, administrative, we've cut all that out. So the one thing that we do have and we do invest in is our people. We've got amazing people that'll help you out. And we completely disrupted the business model. Whatever a typical furniture store does, we do completely opposite. And we found that our customers love it. They thank us, they hug us, and it makes us feel really good. We're a gritty company that, started with nothing against all these big fancy stores. We're really proud of what we've done here in Cleveland. I think it resonates with a lot of our customers.
Stop into the East Side, West Side, South Side, or visit northeastfactorydirect.com.